Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bose QuietComfort headphones to PC. Quick fix step by step clearly. To connect your Bose QuietComfort headphones to your PC, first, ensure that your headphones are charged. Turn on your Bose QuietComfort headphones by pressing the power button. Next, put your headphones in pairing mode. You can do this by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button until you hear ready to connect. Now, move to your PC. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, click on Devices. Next, choose Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on by toggling the switch to the on position. Now, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. In the pop-up window, select Bluetooth. Your PC will begin searching for available Bluetooth device. When your Bose QuietComfort headphones appear in the list, click on them. Wait for a moment while your PC establishes the connection. Once connected, you will hear a confirmation sound in your headphones. Now, go to the sound settings on your PC. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar. Select Open Sound Settings from the menu. Under Output, choose your Bose QuietComfort headphones from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully connected your Bose QuietComfort headphones to your PC. Enjoy your audio experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.